Hello guys, in this video I'm going to solve your doubts on the question that is how to activate Uber deactivated account. Now we have this Uber help page that has this article that says I want to reactivate my account, and the answer here is if you change your mind in deleting your rider account and want to keep your account, you can restore it by signing in at uber.com within 30 days of deactivation. If it's already past 30 days of deactivation, you will need to sign up for a new account and you won't be able to recover your account in that case. Now, if you are unable to sign up for a new account with your email or phone number, it's possible that you have already registered for an Uber account. Uber recommends that users have only one Uber account for both riders and Uber Eats. If you have an existing account but having trouble signing in, go to this link that is I can't sign in to my account. So the conclusion here is, in order to reactivate your account, you'll have to just go to uber.com and log in using your user credentials for the account that you want to reactivate, and you'll have successfully reactivated your account. But this action should be done within 30 days of deactivation. If you try to log into your account after 30 days of deactivation, you won't be able to do that. So make sure you log into your account under 30 days of deactivation to reactivate your account. Hope you found this video helpful. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.